Now, Storm Watch 12 weather on News Watch 12.
Quite a range in temperatures throughout southern Oregon and northern California. It's 27 chilly degrees in Chemult, but a balmy 62 degrees, at least in comparison, over in Brookings. We're pretty much in the middle in Medford at 45 degrees and 38 in Montague. So for the next couple of hours, if you're getting ready to head out the door, you may see some high clouds as the sun rises at 7:10, but later on this morning, we're just going to see some clouds throughout the area, but temperatures into the mid 40s. And then temperatures will eventually warm up. Now we do have some rain up to our north and west off the British Columbia coast. This is pushing to the south and east, and you can see that the clouds ahead of it eventually will thicken up over the next several hours. Now after we get past this system, our next system is high pressure. In fact, that is going to really build into the Pacific Northwest over the next several days, but we need to get past today first. The least chance of seeing showers will actually be into southern Siskiyou County for today, but the rest of the area, we're looking at that chance of showers really starting to develop this afternoon, especially about 3 or 4 o'clock here into the Rogue Valley and along the Oregon coast and over towards Klamath Falls and parts of Lake County as well. Now we get into around sunset and that main threat starts to shift off towards the east, but another round moves into west of the Cascades, and we'll just keep that threat throughout the day and into the evening as well. Now once we get, say, past midnight or so, that threat will start to really taper off, and then by the time waking up early tomorrow morning, we'll see morning clouds, afternoon sunshine for tomorrow, and then by the time we get to Wednesday, we're going to be looking at a lot of sunshine throughout the region. And that's when that high pressure is really going to start to build in. Now the planner for the rest of the day today, clouds will continue to increase throughout the day. The real chance of showers really kind of develops about 4 or 5 o'clock, and it's not a significant threat. We're not looking at any significant rain throughout the region. In fact, if we're lucky, some locations may get 1/10 of an inch today, and that's really about it. For the most part, just a couple hundredths for most people, if any at all, because you may not even get any actual rain today too. So our area of low pressure that is giving us the inclement weather pushes off towards the east. We'll have very warm temperatures building offshore, and it really starts to build into the Pacific Northwest by the end of the week. Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, it really takes hold. But that starts to shift off towards the east as we go towards the end of the week and into next weekend. And then we start seeing a fall pattern really start to develop. All these lines getting really close together, indicating a lot of energy aimed at the Pacific Northwest. Right now it's 45 degrees in Medford, pretty calm conditions, not much of a wind at all, but we'll make it to 69 today for Grants Pass, Medford, and Wairika. For tonight, we'll be into the 50s tonight for the most part, 40s east of the Cascades, 39 out in Crater Lake. So your 7-day forecast for the Oregon coast, that chance of showers for today diminishes by tomorrow, and temperatures warm into the 70s for Wednesday through Friday. For Northern California, 60s today, 70s for tomorrow, and then a string of 80s from Wednesday through Sunday. So pretty warm for you folks there. Klamath Basin, 60s today, chance of showers eventually tapers off for tomorrow, and then we go into the 70s near 80 degrees by Friday and Saturday. For the Cascades, chance of showers today into the 50s, and then it warms all the way up to about 70 by Wednesday, and then pretty much 70 to 75 for the rest of the week. And the Rogue Valley, that chance of showers for today, eventually those will taper off. Pretty nice for tomorrow after morning clouds, afternoon sun. Beginning on Wednesday, we're going to be in the 80s, maybe upper 80s by Friday and Saturday.